Hi everybody, I'm Pratiksha Nair. I'm in my 5th year IIM Tech and I'm currently working on my thesis under the supervision of Professor Dinesh Babu. So we're working on something that involves machine learning, chemistry and biology. We're trying to automatically generate drug molecules with certain desired properties. So I will be putting up a poster in the open house session in the RISE event. So please do come and catch up so maybe we can have an interesting discussion.
Hello guys, I'm Manpreet pursuing research in IIIT. I'm presenting a poster in RISE 2019. As engineers, we often design codes in terms of high-level application languages like C, C++, Python, but everything gets executed in some sort of hardware. Is there a way that you can design your best system hardware? If yes, how optimized will it be? Check it out at the event. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pranav Kedia and I'm a 4th year IIM Tech student here at IIIT. I'm really fascinated by the robotic world, and my work here involves researching about the working principles of different types of robots. If you would like to know the control algorithms behind a robotic manipulator and also know about the challenges associated with building a robotic manipulator, come check us out at RISE 2019.
Hi, this is Komal from IIIT. I'm pursuing my research here in computer science. My research area mainly consists of analysis and classification of statistical graphs. I'll be presenting my poster in RISE open house. Please come and check it out and we can have a healthy discussion over the problem.